Hi friends! Welcome back to the Read and Learn channel. Today, we'll read fun rhyming stories with a short of vowel sound. Let's enjoy these awesome tales together. Are you ready? Let's begin. Let us read together. Bob and his job. Bob has a fun job. He mops and sings a love. The floor shines and does not sob. Bob feels glad and does a hop. Now, read it by yourself. Good job!
Yay!
Let us read together. A hot pot. A pot sits on the spot. The pot is very hot. Tom stirs it with a lot. He smiles and takes a shot. Now, read it by yourself. Good job!
Yay!
Let us read together. A dog on the log. A dog sits on a log. The log rolls into the fog. The dog jumps and sees a frog. The two hop and jog in a bog. Now, read it by yourself. Good job!
Yay!
Let us read together. The big bug. The bug is full of frogs. They hop and sing on log. A boy joins with his dog. They laugh and jump into the bog. Now, read it by yourself. Good job!
Yay!
Let us read together. A red top. A red top spins a lot. It whirls fast on the spot. It slows down and gets caught. The kids cheer at what they've got. Now, read it by yourself. Good job!
Yay!
Let us read together. Bob. Bob hops onto a log. He spots a big brown frog. The frog jumps into the bog. Bob laughs and calls Pop. Now read it by yourself. Good job!
Yay!
Let us read together. A box of socks. A box is full of socks. It sits beside the rocks. The socks are red with dots. I wear them and dance a lot. Now read it by yourself. Good job! Let us read together. The Frog and the Fog. A frog jumps in the fog. It hops onto a log. The fog lifts from the bog. The frog croaks and sings a song. Now read it by yourself. Good job! Let us read together. The Fox. The fox runs fast and hops. It jumps over big logs. Through the fog, it moves quick, looking for a place to sit. Now read it by yourself. Good job! Let us read together. Top. I am on top in the class. I got the top spot and will not stop. My pals nod and clap non-stop. They cheer for me as I hop. Now read it by yourself. Wow! Awesome! You did such a great job reading all the stories with me. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this with your friends. See you next time on the Read and Learn channel. Bye!